Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to Year 3 English PDPR lesson. Today, we are going to focus on language arts skill with the topic of animals in the world around us unit of your Get Smart Plus 3 book. Alright, before we start our lesson today, let us look at the learning objectives for today's lesson. Number 1, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to respond to 5 pairs of animal description sentences by naming the animals correctly. Number 2, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to choose an animal and write 2 suitable pairs of sentences for it. How about the success criteria for today's lesson? What you can do in today's lesson to achieve the learning objectives for today's lesson. Let us look at the success criteria for today's lesson. Number 1, you can review 3 animals and also 3 adjectives that you have learned in the previous lesson. Number 2, you can choose an animal and write 2 suitable pairs of sentences for it. Are you all ready for the lesson today? Let us start our lesson today by reviewing 3 animals and 3 adjectives you have learned in the previous lesson. Let us look at this animal. Do you know what is this? It is a blue whale. Blue whale is big. So the adjective suitable for blue whale is big. I repeat, the suitable adjective for blue whale is big. Next one, do you still remember what animal is this? It is an orca. Can you please say it again? Orca. So what is the suitable adjective for orca? Orca is pretty. I repeat, the suitable adjective for orca is pretty. And the last one we have here is, do you still remember what picture is this? What animal is this? It is a shark. So, what is the suitable adjective for shark? It is scary. I repeat, the suitable adjective for shark is scary. Let me read out for you the first pair of animal description sentences. So you have to guess possible animal for these pair of animal description sentences. Number 1, they live in the sea. They are bigger than dolphins. Can you please guess possible animal for this one? So it could be blue whales. Number 2, they've got 4 legs. They're faster than ducks. So can you please suggest possible animals? They are lions, tigers, cheetahs. Next, pair number 3. They like cheese. They are smaller than rats. Can you please suggest possible animal for this? They are mice. Next pair number 4. They are black and white. They are bigger than rats. Can you please suggest possible animal? They are zebras. And the last pair here, they are gray. They are fatter than cats. Can you please suggest possible animal? They are hippos. Let me tell you, the first sentence is a fact about the animal, and the second sentence compares it with another animal. We may not use the word compare, but may use or may find other ways to convey its meaning. For example, the first pair, they live in the sea. It is a fact about the animal. And then sentence number 2, they are bigger than dolphins. Sentence number 2 compares it with another animal. Before we end our lesson today, I would like you to choose an animal and write 2 pairs of sentences for it. Let me give you an example. Let me show you the example. Let's say you choose a cat. So you may write 2 sentences about cat. It likes milk. It's shorter than a giraffe. Again, you may write like this. It likes milk. It's shorter than a giraffe. With that, I would like to end today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you then. Bye-bye.